I'm checking the June bearing strawberry beds, and as you can see, some of these have survived the winter and the chickens, but as I'm going through them, I'm noticing all these little dinky sapling things. Now, something to think about, so you'll learn from my mistakes, is don't put your raised beds underneath of a bloody black cherry tree, because it will drop all of its little pits and seeds in here and then plant a quadrillion baby trees to stratify over the winter. So now I have so many more little black cherry saplings, seedlings, whatever, and mushrooms. Look at that. I don't even know what the crap them are, kind them are, than I do strawberry plants. So, word to the wise. Think twice before you place a bed somewhere that you never really give much thought to, because you end up with a heck of a mess. And this thing is too heavy to move. So, with that, lesson learned, I'm not going to put anything else over here until we cut the tree down, which needs cut down because honestly, it's a nightmare. It shoots stuff into the pool, and we mow into the limbs all the time. They whack you all the time. It's a nuisance tree. It doesn't actually produce cherry fruit for us to eat. So with that, I wish I'd thought about it before I did it. Pulling these black cherry seedlings out, you got to pull the whole thing, but look at the seed that started it all. So if you just break it off, it'll just keep coming back. So you got to pull the whole thing out, which is easy to do because the soil was wet. But I clearly do not want these all over the place. Ugh, nightmare. But, I mean, there are literally hundreds of them. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you how to make sure you pull them all out and got the root, the seed start, the root and all. But this here made me think of the stratifying seeds I do have in the fridge that I did want. So we should check those out here soon too. But anyhow, there you go.